Good morning, everyone. It is Sunday and it is a wet Sunday. It is raining so badly. I just took Addison to the airport and there were some people driving on the highway without their headlights on, and I was like, hello, it's raining, like you can barely see, there's no sun, but whatever. I just went to Kroger and got more of the muffin mix because the wrappers that I got came with 24 and they were so good. I was like, I want to make some to bring to the cast because it's our last show today, so I'm going to bring them all some little homemade muffins. I am so tired. My body is so tired. I'm glad that it's the last show, but at the same time I'm gonna miss it a lot. So I'm gonna go home and make the muffins, and I'm gonna do Advent because I'm pretty sure I might have missed the last two. So I'm going to give Hazel her little Advent tree and do my own little chocolate Advent tree. And then after the show today, I'm going to be packing to go home because we fly back home tomorrow. So I'm excited to go home. Let's go home and do all of that. And then I also have to get ready for the show. So probably gonna do some more time-lapse videos like you saw from yesterday. So let's get to it. Okay, I can already hear her outside because she likes to be in the same room as me. So we're gonna do Advent super fast. Today is the 15th, so I think I need to do 13 and 14. So 13 is a dog. 14 is another dog. Let's do hers. 13 is this little thing, and 14 are these little things. So she's gonna get a lot of treats today. I just realized that they put all the treats are on the back. Oh, okay, this super long one for 25. It looks like it's just gonna be this squeeze treat. So she's really gonna enjoy that. If you watched my shopping haul vlog where I said I bought like a bag to put all of her stuff in and like a box because she was ripping into the Ziploc bags, she also managed to like tear open her like squeeze treat that I brought. So she goes crazy. She like the other day, she like grabbed one of the french fries we got from Culver's. She had it in her mouth and she was holding it with her paw and she was like, no, 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 no. I really wish I got on video. It was really funny. Okay, let's let her inside because she's going crazy right now. Oh my gosh, she just opened the door. Alright, well, I'm gonna let her finish that. Obviously, I did not close the door enough. That happened once before. I tried keeping her up here when I was making the dumplings and she got out. And I think it's because I did not close the door enough. So, we're gonna let her finish these and I'm gonna start on the muffins. I'm just gonna put her in her carrier because that's what we did last time and it worked. I also have to clean a lot of dishes, but I think I'm just gonna do the dishes while the muffins are cooking because I'm also gonna have to clean the dish I used to make the muffins. So it's just gonna be like, just clean them all at once. So, let's go! Hey y'all, I am finally done with all my shows. My feet hurt so much. I'm so tired, but I'm ready for this break. I'm going to miss everyone. I'm going to miss doing the show, but I'm also really glad that it's over. So now I can go home and pack, but I do need to go eat because I have not really had lunch. So I'm excited to go and do that. But yeah, I think it went really well. I would say this is the night I had the least amount of mistakes. So that's good. I would say maybe like I had one which is better than the other few nights. I would say the audience was definitely more full, but also was the most chaotic. There was coughing kids, crying kids. Someone was recording in the beginning, even though they were told not to. So there were those little mishaps, but besides that, I think it was a really good show overall. And so now we are 4 for 4. We are done. So I'm excited to go home and relax. And I do have stuff to do over break for my field that starts next semester, but other than that, I am looking forward to relaxing. So let's go home and get lunch, clean, and pack. And I also have to edit the video from yesterday, so lots of things to do. Also, my mom and sister are gonna come by and visit the apartment, so let's go. Hey y'all, I am back. My family and I just went and got dinner. They came over after I got back from the show. And so now I'm going to edit the video and start packing. So I'm planning to use my big suitcase. So I think it still has some winter clothes in it, so I'm gonna need to empty that, put it away, and then I pack my stuff and then Hazel's stuff, and then I also just need to clean and organize and make sure that, you know, I don't leave the house a mess and that I can come back to like a nice clean place. And also my roommate will be here over break, so I want to make sure I clean up all my stuff for her. So that's pretty much my plan for the rest of the night. I don't think I'm going to do any more time lapses, so I'll probably come on to do Advent, but that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna do all of that stuff and I'll come on at the end of the day to do our Advent. Hey guys, so I'm pretty much all done packing, but I'm gonna do Advent to close out the night, and also because I need to pack these calendars. So today is the 15th. I'm pretty sure I'm all caught up because I did 2 this morning, I think. So yeah, let's do 15. It's kind of melty, but it's the little owl toy. Alright, now let's do Hazel's. So pretty much all I have to do tomorrow is clean and refresh the litter box and then take out my trash. Just because I don't really want to leave the litter just sitting there, you know, like might as well come home to like freshly poured litter. I'm gonna hope that she can use the box before we have to go on the plane. And then we'll be good to go. Looks like her treat for today is just these little fish crackers. So get those set up for her. And then I'm going to pack this in the suitcase. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm all packed. I hope I didn't overpack. I was trying to think about how long I would be gone and then like the different places we were going. Because we are going to California, so the weather's going to be slightly warmer, but you know, we'll figure it out when we get there. So I'm going to finish putting these away, make sure I have everything, and then take a shower and go to bed. So I'll see you all tomorrow for the flight.